again, folks. Today I thought I would have a go on this Ace weatherproof padlock. There's the keyway. This is another lock out of the pile of locks I won from Lockmania's Christmas series 2024. You'll know him from his slogan, "Remember, skill always beats luck." If you don't know him, I'll leave a link down below. Here's the bitting on the key, like so. So let's pop this in the vise and see how we get on. So if we go at picking pins up, I don't pick pins up very often. I like to mix it up and have a change. You can use a long part with tensioner so we can get around this deep keyhole. So, and I'll use this lovely custom Rob Lawn pick. So, move, that's 3, 4. Into a full set there. A high one. There we go. Ta-da! So high lift on 1, and then another couple of clicks on 3 and 4, and we got it open. So, like I say, if you don't know Lockmania, great, fantastic picker. I'll leave a link down below. Go and check him out. And that is the Ace weatherproof padlock, SPP'd. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.